Under the Accounts and Finance, we have Payroll. You can add a staff to a payroll during registration. First, we have the pay items. This is where you have different earnings and deductions. To add a new one, you click on the Add New button. Add the name of the pay item. You can select either earning or deduction. Then if it's an earning, you select how the earnings will be handled. If it's to be applied to basic salary, if the earnings will be a percentage of basic salary, if the earnings will be taxable, if it's payee. After that, select the GL account for the payment. Then if it's a deduction, you can either select a payee or percentage of the basic salary. Then you can select the GL account. That is account payables. Next, we have the tax table. This is where you can define the tax categories. Let's create one, so you can see how it is. From here, we have amount from, let's say, 50,000. Amount to, let's say, 100,000. Then what is the percentage rate? Let's say 5%. And then we add. So for all the amounts in the payroll between 50,000 and 100,000, this tax will be applied to them automatically. Next, we have the master payroll. The master payroll is like a template where you can generate pay lists based on position, based on departments, based on groups, and then you can add for individual staff. When you assign a payroll to a staff, it will override the one assigned through either a department, group, or position. Lastly, under the payroll, we have the monthly payroll. This is where you can schedule the monthly payment. To schedule a payment, click on Add New. From here, you can add the title, maybe the month of the year. And then from here, you can select the date you want this payment to be processed. After the payments have been processed, you can either post the payment or view it. From here, you can see everyone who is under this payroll. You can see the pay slip and the amount they are to be paid. Next, under Accounts and Finance, we have the dashboard. From here, you can see the summary of all the payments. You can filter them using several options. You can filter based on revenue. You can filter payments. You can filter expenses. You can filter bills payable. You can also filter by daily, weekly, or monthly. You can see all the bills for the selected filter. And lastly, we have the Management Dashboard. The Management Dashboard will show you the extended summary beyond the accounts and billing. From here, you can see the registered patients. You can see the lab requests, appointments, accounts, and revenue. You can filter based on day, week, month, or year. You can also select a specific date range you want to search, and then you can see all the details based on your selection.